Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build a Telegram signals bot for traders using Bitquery's API. This bot monitors token pairs and sends alerts for those with significant price changes, making it ideal for staying on top of crypto trading opportunities. To get started, we first import necessary libraries like AIO, HTTP for async API calls, and Python Telegram bot for bot handling, and date time for time based filters. We also set up logging to track our bot's activity and errors effectively. In our code, we have placeholders for bot token and OAuth token, where you will have to insert your Telegram bot token and BitQuery authentication token respectively. Split text and send long message functions. These two functions help split long messages into smaller parts because Telegram has a limit on message length. So these functions ensure we don't exceed it by breaking down large messages. Next function is our send query and process. This function is the core of our bot. It sends a GraphQL query to BitQuery, fetching top token pairs data according to their trade volume. You can test out this query itself on BitQuery ID first. I will share the link in the description. This query gives you important metrics about the token pairs such as buyers, total sellers, total trades, total traded volume, makers, total buy volume, total sell volume, total number of buys and total number of sells for the last 5 minutes and last 1 hour. We then calculate price changes for each token here using the calculate percentage change function, which formats the percentage increase or decrease and adds a directional emoji to it. The results are then sorted by the biggest price changes and we prepare a formatted message here using this format message function. Then the start regular request function schedules our API request every 30 minutes, ensuring that we get fresh data without overwhelming the Telegram API. We add a slash start command here with command handler that begins the regular request and starts monitoring. When the bot is up and running, it fetches and processes data at regular intervals. Finally, we set up the bot and start the bot using application.run polling. This continuously listens for messages from users and responds with trade signals based on top price change pairs every 30 minutes. Run this command, Python, and then file name, and then your bot will start running. And go to your Telegram bot then, which you have got from bot father, and run slash start command there, and then you will see this nice response. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions. I will add the link in the description.